Located on the border of North Macedonia and Albania, Lake Ohrid has a unique distinction. It is considered Europe's oldest lake. Ohrid's significance has not gone unnoticed. It was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1979. But of late, the lake has been battling degradation, so much so that UNESCO has warned that it will be listed as a site in danger.
When you are relegated to the UNESCO list of endangered sites, it is a bad sign. It means that the state has not done its duty to protect something that has been recognized by UNESCO. It means that the state will be given a chance to fix it.
Tourists started flocking to the lake after it became famous. Soon, hotels started coming up in the area. And it wasn't long before residential areas developed around Ohrid in North Macedonia. Builders took advantage of legal loopholes. Construction work has been taking place on protected land. These buildings often lack proper sewage systems. According to UNESCO, 1/3 of the structures in the wider Ohrid region pump waste directly into the lake.
I've been asking them for 15 years to cooperate. As soon as you enter an institution, they say we have no money. My answer has always been, we are not talking about money, we are talking about action, about doing.
The local authorities say that they have been trying to clean up the lake. Several illegal structures have been brought down, but taking action has not been easy. Local businesses have opposed the demolition drives.
We have removed significant number of structures. What does that mean for me? It means huge burden, unfortunate work that I have to finish.
Hotel owners say that they are being targeted. They say that their businesses are being scrutinized in spite of having received permits.
If you call that respect for the rules, then we all lose. Nobody in Ohrid is against UNESCO. Neither are we, the business owners. We all know that the UNESCO list contributes to the development of Ohrid and North Macedonia. But be careful, we have to see what is really problematic and what can be allowed.
Environmentalists, on the other hand, warn against a debate over economic development and ecological concerns. They say that the only priority should be to save the lake. Bureau Report, WION, World is One.